got some beard mail. Hop on here, do a quick unboxing. Feel free to send out some invites. Let me get this going. What's up, Joe? Not gonna be on long because I have a class that I need to be on. Yes, sir. Unboxing. I'm actually surprised at how small this box is. I figured it was gonna be a little bigger, but got some goodies from Baarden, Canadian company that I've been wanting to try for a while, but just haven't until recently. Got here, ordered this like midway through last week. Got to get my improve on the number of Canadian companies that I've tried. So far, I've tried Educated Beards, Woolly Wizard. Whoa, that's cool. Wrapped up in some nice blue paper. That's fancy. I like that. Okay, let's do this without making a mess, because I see like wood chips. Not wood chips, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, so you get this cool card. Have a good beard day. It says thank you. If you enjoyed your purchase, please make sure to follow and tag us at the Baarden to let us know. It's been our pleasure. What's up, Irish Bearded? Yeah, and this is what it comes in. It's like square. What's up? Every cent Baarden put out. Oh wow, that's awesome. What's your favorite, Joey? Let me know. All right. There's the beard balm, and I got the tobacco, bourbon, and leather bundle. Definitely seemed like right up my alley. Ooh, okay. 4-ounce beard wash. Pretty cool. So then the kind of story, they have like a story behind every scent. So for this one, a man walked into a humidor in Cuba, picking out the perfect cigar while sipping an old fashioned, and he thought this smelled good. It's a tobacco, bourbon, and leather scent. So really cool bottle. Let's see what else we got. Nice. You are. A really cool presentation. So there's the beard oil, 1 ounce. Chad, Weatherbeard, tobacco, bourbon, and leather is my favorite. Oh, nice. That's the one that I have here. Definitely excited to try this out. Yeah, let's see. Tobacco, bourbon, tea, wearing peach, mango. Yeah, sure, Corey. What's up, Ken? Ooh. Ken heard leather and just appeared. Oh, that's nice. That's a good scent. Definitely leather up front, but with the kind of bourbon tobacco mix in the background, that is nice. I'm gonna have to wear this maybe tomorrow. Created 3 new scents yesterday. Oh, cool. That's awesome. What's up, Neil? Oh, and speaking of Neil and Mike from Creme de Death are gonna be live with me at 8 p.m. on Friday night. Listen while cooking. Nice. Yeah, Neil's gonna be live with me and Creme de Death and Mike on Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time, live on my YouTube channel. What are you doing now? Unboxing a Canadian company called Baarden. They're one of their bundles. What's up, G? Yeah, so it's tobacco, bourbon, and leather. And also, don't miss Dan. You've probably seen it, but don't miss Dan C tonight. He's launching a collab with Magic City, which is I'm definitely picking that up. Alright, so then there's the balm. Penning a video. Ooh, nice. That's what the balm looks like. Kind of similar to similar look to Beard Tings out in the UK. I like that. That looks nice. Kind of matters. Yeah. What's up, Meb? And then we got 2 ounce balm and 2 ounce butter. I feel like 2 ounce butter is 2 ounce butter or balm is a much more like reasonable, like you're more likely to get through that than a 4 ounce. That's a nice thing. Kind of reminds me of vintage leather from Beard Things, which has leather in it as well, and it's like, but like a sweeter leather. Heard Baarden's a great company. Yeah, I mean, want to know some secrets of nice. Yeah, just wanted to unbox a few things here from Baarden. I'm going to be doing a review eventually. My reviews just keep definitely want to try some Baarden. Yeah, it seems nice. Really cool presentation. Nice glass bottles. Really cool. Like Baarden's butter a lot. Yeah, very interested to try this out. Nice labels too. Has to be I agree. 2 ounces butter is plenty for myself. 100%. You're not likely to go through a full butter ever. No, not by a long shot. Like, I mean, I'll show you guys. Like, look at this shelf alone. Butters and balms from Crown and Eartha, Husky Beard, Copper Johns, Magic City and Beard Things up there. Sasquatch in the back. Like, a bunch of other ones that I've made, and also Artius Man samples. Like. Yeah, I did the math recently, and I have over 120 products. Kicking the camera. But yeah, I've got butter for days, but I will be buying Magic City's new DNC collab, because I need that for the collection. What's up, Baarden Beard Co? Thanks for hopping in. Just checking out another Canadian oil that you made. Yeah, yep. Yeah, I made my own oils a little while ago. It's a fun time. Just kind of experimenting, but mostly just buy unscented butter, then I go through the whole thing. I'll save money too. Yeah, that's a really good idea, Chad. That's a good scent. Yeah, unscented butter is definitely. I have an unscented butter from Magic City, but yeah, it's. But I'm gonna start doing that more probably. Yeah. Really cool presentation. So the blue oil and wash bottles, I'll need to try that. That can be arranged. I just need to get some more ingredients, because I do want to send some out to some people to try. What's up, Shin Monster? But yeah, it was just kind of an experiment that I want to try. But then I just got so much more busy with school, and I'm working again, and find someone that uses balm. I wanted to give all my balms away. I mean, I use balms. Like, I've got quite a few. Actually, I had Magic City's lime and coconut, or not Magic City, Crown and Eartha's lime and coconut balm and beard yesterday, which isn't out yet. But yeah, Chad. Yeah, send it to me and Chad. Yeah, the 2 Canadians will take it off your hands. Just split it 50-50. 2 boxes. Giveaways, do it live. Yeah, facts. That's actually a good idea. What's up, Walt? Just finished unboxing Baarden oil and oil, butter, balm, and wash. I think this whole bundle was like $70 plus like $12 shipping or something like that, which is quite nice. What's up, Liam? Yeah, compared to what I'm used to paying for US shipping, like $12 is not bad at all. Yeah. Tobacco, bourbon, and leather. Ingredients: jojoba seed oil, sweet almond, grape seed, hemp seed oil. Ooh, nice. Castor seed oil fragrance. Yeah, that hemp seed oil. Love balms. Yep, 100%. Yeah, tobacco, bourbon, and leather. Made in Canada. Just based pretty close to me. Yeah, really solid ingredients. Looks like. Let's see what the thickness of it is. Dude, just spin a wheel and give them. Yeah, facts. That would actually be really cool. Like, okay, that's probably like medium, I would say. Just the way I like it. But yeah, hook them. That's a good idea. Just do like a giveaway stream, or put together mystery boxes and sell them. Yeah, facts. That's also a good idea. That'd be cool too. Yeah, Baarden. another Canadian company. Gonna be testing them out, sharing my thoughts on them eventually once I get through all the reviews that have to have to get done. Unbox some stuff from a Canadian company called Baarden. Oil, butter, balm, and wash bundle for like $70. Pretty good price. It's $145. I should probably hop off here, but yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in, hanging out. Got a new podcast episode with Baarden Beard Co Mike, his second round that just went live today. I'm gonna be posting my Baarden Beard Co mega unboxing on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. And then Friday Night Truth with Baarden Beard Co and Maverick Beards, Neil, at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on my channel. It's gonna be a fun time. Yeah, thanks everybody for coming in. Peace out.